10 passive income ideas to make $500 a day. Welcome to Finance Compass, your ultimate guide to navigating the world of personal finance and wealth-building strategies. Today, we're taking on a challenge that can change your life forever. How to earn $500 a day in passive income. Let's face it, living paycheck to paycheck isn't sustainable, and trading your time for money is exhausting. Passive income is the key to financial freedom, giving you the opportunity to build wealth while freeing up your time to focus on what truly matters. Whether you're dreaming of quitting your 9-to-5 job, funding your dream lifestyle, or securing a comfortable retirement, these 10 passive income ideas can help you achieve it. Grab a notepad because we're about to dive deep into strategies that can make $500 a day not just a dream, but your reality. Number 1. Dividend-paying stocks. Let's start with one of the most time-tested methods for generating passive income: dividend-paying stocks. When you invest in a company that pays dividends, you're essentially earning a share of their profits just for being a shareholder. It's like getting a thank you check for your investment. For example, let's say you invest $100,000 in a dividend stock that offers a 6% annual yield. That means you'll earn $6,000 a year, or around $16.50 per day. While this may not hit the $500 a day mark immediately, compound interest changes the game. Reinvest your dividends, and over time, your portfolio will grow exponentially. Imagine earning $500 a day just by holding stocks of companies like Procter & Gamble, Johnson & Johnson, or even tech giants like Microsoft. The key to success? Diversify your portfolio and focus on companies with a strong history of consistent dividend payments. And remember, patience is your best friend in the stock market. 2. Real estate investments with REITs. Want to get into real estate but don't have the capital to buy a property or the time to manage tenants? Real estate investment trusts, or REITs, are your answer. REITs are companies that own and operate income-generating real estate like apartment complexes, office buildings, or shopping malls. The best part? You don't need to be a landlord. By investing in REITs, you earn a share of the rental income without the headaches of property maintenance or late rent payments. For example, if you invest $50,000 in a REIT with an annual yield of 8%, you'll earn $4,000 a year. Combine this with other income streams, and you'll inch closer to your $500 a day goal. Some REITs even specialize in booming sectors like healthcare, data centers, and logistics, which means your investment could grow even faster. 3. Create an online course. Do you have a skill or expertise you can teach? Maybe you're great at graphic design, coding, or even cooking gourmet meals. Whatever it is, someone out there wants to learn it, and they're willing to pay. Platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, and Teachable allow you to create and sell online courses to a global audience. Yes, it takes time and effort upfront to create the content, but once it's done, it's pure passive income. Let's break it down. If you price your course at $100 and manage to sell just 5 courses a day, that's $500. The secret to success lies in creating a course that solves a problem or fulfills a demand. Market it through social media, email newsletters, and even YouTube videos to maximize your reach. Pro tip: update your course regularly to keep it relevant and attract repeat customers. The online learning market is booming, so don't miss your chance to capitalize on it. 4. Build a YouTube channel. Speaking of online platforms, have you ever considered starting a YouTube channel? This isn't just about becoming a celebrity. It's about creating content that provides value to your audience. Whether it's financial advice, tech reviews, or travel vlogs, there's a niche for everyone. Once your channel is monetized, you can earn money through ad revenue, sponsorships, and even affiliate marketing. For instance, channels in the personal finance niche often earn between $2 and $15 per 1,000 views. Upload a mix of short videos, in-depth tutorials, and engaging discussions to keep your audience hooked. Here's the math. If your videos get 100,000 views a day and you earn $5 per 1,000 views, you're already at $500. The key is consistency. Post regularly, engage with your audience, and watch your channel grow. Number 5. Write and sell an ebook. If you've ever thought about writing a book, now's the time to do it. But instead of going the traditional publishing route, consider creating an ebook. Platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP, make it easy for anyone to self-publish and sell ebooks. Whether you're writing fiction, self-help, or a step-by-step guide, there's a market for it. For example, let's say you write a book on how to save $10,000 in a year. If you price it at $10 and sell 50 copies a day, that's your $500. And the best part? Once the book is published, it becomes a passive income machine, generating revenue while you focus on other projects. 6. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the most scalable and lucrative ways to generate passive income. Here's how it works. You promote products or services, and when someone makes a purchase through your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. For example, if you're part of Amazon's affiliate program, you can recommend books, gadgets, or home appliances. If 50 people purchase a $50 product with a 10% commission, you'll earn $250. Double your traffic, and you've reached your $500 goal. To succeed, focus on a niche you're passionate about. Whether it's fitness, tech, or travel, your enthusiasm will shine through and attract a loyal audience. 7. Sell stock photos or videos. Are you someone who loves photography or videography? Turn your hobby into a passive income stream by selling your content on platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or iStock Photo. Every time someone downloads your photo or video, you earn royalties. This can be especially profitable if you upload high-demand content like business settings, scenic landscapes, or lifestyle imagery. The trick is to consistently upload fresh content and use relevant keywords to make your portfolio discoverable. Over time, the royalties can add up to a significant amount. 8. Create a print-on-demand store. Have you ever thought about designing t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases? With print-on-demand, you can turn your creativity into a passive income source. Platforms like Printful and Redbubble handle everything, from production to shipping, while you focus on creating designs. If your designs sell 25 items a day at $20 each, you're making $500 without lifting a finger. To stand out, focus on creating trendy and evergreen designs. From inspirational quotes to pop culture references, the possibilities are endless. 9. Peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending platforms like Lending Club or Prosper allow you to earn interest by loaning money to individuals or small businesses. Think of it as being the bank, but without the bureaucracy. The returns can range from 6% to 12%, depending on the risk level. For example, if you invest $50,000 at an 8% return, you'll earn $4,000 a year in interest. Reinvest those earnings, and you'll be well on your way to reaching $500 a day. 10. High-yield savings accounts and bonds. If you're looking for low-risk options, high-yield savings accounts and bonds are worth considering. While the returns may not be as high as other methods, they're reliable and secure. For example, investing in Series 1 bonds or Treasury bonds can provide steady returns over time. Pair this with a high-yield savings account offering 4 to 5% interest, and you've got a strong foundation for passive income. Final thoughts. Building a $500 a day passive income isn't easy, but it's absolutely possible with the right mindset and strategies. Start small, stay consistent, and remember, the sooner you begin, the sooner you'll achieve financial freedom. Which of these ideas will you try first? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Finance Compass for more wealth-building tips. Until next time, keep your compass pointed toward success.